Worm tea is a powerhouse fertilizer, but why brew it instead of just using solid compost? Because solid fertilizer takes months to break down, and this drooping tomato plant needs an immediate rescue. Composting worms produce a rich, dark waste, known as worm castings. But in solid form, those beneficial microbes and nutrients are physically trapped inside dense organic matter. So you brew it. Water acts as a physical solvent, pulling those trapped nutrients out into a liquid. If you just drop solid castings on top of the soil, the plant has to wait for slow watering to carry tiny amounts down to the root zone. But liquid worm tea bypasses this waiting game entirely. Because the nutrients are already dissolved, they wash instantly over the roots and are immediately absorbed right into the plant's vascular system. You can also coat the leaves directly. This applies beneficial microbes right to the surface to suppress local diseases on contact, a method called a foliar spray. And that starving tomato plant from the beginning? It bounces back rapidly because it absorbed those liquid nutrients instantly instead of waiting for soil to break down.